Yoga, which has been in existence for centuries, has become increasingly popular due to its myriad of health benefits. Among the most desired benefits of practicing yoga is the improvement of flexibility. However, with the multitude of yoga styles available, selecting the appropriate type that best enhances flexibility can be somewhat daunting. Hatha yoga for flexibility. Hatha yoga is a traditional form that focuses on the physical aspects of the practice, including breathing exercises and poses, asanas. Hatha is perfect for beginners and individuals looking to improve their flexibility, as it emphasizes slow movements and long holds in each pose. Hatha yoga poses like downward dog, child's pose, and triangle pose can help increase hamstrings, hips, and back flexibility. Vinyasa yoga for flexibility. Vinyasa yoga is a more dynamic form that emphasizes movement and flow between poses. This type of yoga is ideal for individuals looking to enhance their flexibility and build strength simultaneously. Vinyasa yoga poses like the warrior series, pigeon pose, and the seated forward bend can help increase hip, hamstring, and spine flexibility. Ashtanga yoga for flexibility. Ashtanga yoga is a challenging form that focuses on synchronizing breath with progressive poses. This type of yoga is best for advanced practitioners and individuals looking to improve their overall flexibility and endurance. Ashtanga yoga poses like the standing forward bend, the triangle pose, and the half lotus pose can help increase flexibility in the hips, hamstrings, and shoulders. Bikram yoga for flexibility. Bikram yoga, which is also known as hot yoga, is practiced in a heated room to enhance flexibility, detoxify the body, and improve overall health. Bikram yoga poses like the cobra pose, the bow pose, and the eagle pose can help increase flexibility in the spine, hips, and shoulders. Yoga is excellent for improving flexibility and overall health. Each type of yoga offers unique benefits, but the best flexibility will depend on your preferences, experience level, and goals. Regardless of skill level, adding yoga to your exercise regimen can enhance flexibility and overall health. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. To learn more, go to spiritualserenade89.com. Have an amazing day on purpose.